Meanwhile, floods continue to wreak havoc in parts of the country. Meru County has for the last 2 days experienced huge downpours, leading to massive loss of property. Elsewhere in Narok, residents are still worried about major cracks on roads, which has interfered with transportation in the area.
Firefighters in Meru County had to be called in to rescue traders and residents of Kwadhambi in Majengo near Meru town after a heavy downpour which started early in the afternoon left them marooned. Businessmen in the town are counting losses after their businesses were submerged in water.
Kumenyesha mpaka ikakuwa mafuriko. Ngari yenyewe ndio hiyo imesinki kwa maji. Nyumbani yote vitu imejaa maji mpaka imefika juu ya dirisha, ikapanda kabisa juu.
Tukatoa wale watu walikuwa ndani ya nyumba, tukawatoa wote, tukawasaidia. Alafu baadaye kuna hii moteri na kuanga within hapo, karibu hapo. Yote nyama inatoka na maji, tunaletewa mahali tuko kwa upande tu tunakula.
Elsewhere, transport along the Garissa-Bura highway has been paralyzed by floods affecting distribution of humanitarian assistance to flood victims. Speaking in Bilbil Trading Center after an aerial tour of the damaged road, Governor Godana Datho said the county government has acquired medical supplies, relief food and other assistance intended for the displaced families, but the victims cannot be reached. 4 sections of the road between Garissa and Bura have been swept away, leaving deep gullies. The governor has urged the national government to come up with a permanent solution to this problem.
Tumekuja na ndege kwa sababu barabara haipitiki. Tunajua ya kwamba mbeleni hii barabara ilikuwa training ground ya NYS. Wamejaribu, hatukatai. Lakini tunataka wakati tunaendelea vile sasa imechukuliwa na National Highways watengeneze vitu vizuri kwa utaalamu unaostahili.
The Meteorological Department has warned that the above average rainfall will continue this week. Silva Lima, Citizen Live at 1.